Hello and welcome back. Today I'm commemorating my birthday, and as you can see, I am holding my tools. I'm doing a cleanup at the Jeevangee Grounds in Kikuyu. The place is a bit dirty, but we're just trying to see to it that the place is a bit tidy, a bit clean. So that is what we are doing today. I'm also ensuring that these trees that have been planted, I'm not the one who planted, but just to ensure that they're taken good care of. So as you can see, doing our little thing for the environment. This is a public place, but as you can see, there is litter all over, litter all around. This is a place where people should be sitting. This is a place where people should be feeling comfortable, but the litter is a bit just so much. But as an environmentalist, I'm going to ensure that this place is clean today, and for those who will be available to pass the message of ensuring that this place is clean. Those who are following, those who are just using this path, because there's a path from that other end. People cross from there where the cars have been parked, and they cross over to the other end, the opposite side. And this grass is just supposed to be there for resting, and it's not in a good place, it's not in a good position. So that is what I'm all about today. Yeah, so that's the business for today. Busy keeping our environment clean. It's the responsibility of everybody. So if you are out there, wherever you are, ensure that where you are seated is clean, because cleanliness begins from where you are. Taking care of the environment begins with where you are, right inside your house, outside your house, on your compound. Just ensure that every place is clean, because you do not know how much this contributes to just a healthy living, because currently there are so many diseases, so many sicknesses, so many challenges in health, which have resulted from not taking care of the environment. The pollutants are there, and these solid wastes, all of them are challenging to the environment. But there is need for us to just to do what it takes to ensure that the places that we are in are clean. It's our responsibility, and if we do not clean where we live, no one is going to clean for us. So that is where we are. That's what we are doing today. Solid waste management is a problem in urban areas in Kenya. Dumping sites have been created all over. That's why you can see here there are so many dumping spots. Here where I am, here just right in that corner, in that other corner over there, the litter bins have been supplied by the constituency, but as you can see, they're not in a good place. I think I'm just going to take you slowly there so that you can see that in as much as we've been provided with resources, some of us do not know how to take good care of those resources. So this is a place, this is a site where we are supposed to be dumping, but as you can see, there is litter all over here. People have dumped here, yet the materials that we should be using are here. We are supposed to be dumping here, but as you can see, all of them, they have been destroyed by fire, and it's not just in a good shape. So I am here to ensure that this place has been taken care of, that everything is at least better for the people who will be coming tomorrow, or for those who will be resting here in the afternoon. I want them to find a better place, and that is my little thing for the environment. I'm doing this even as I remember my birthday. So I'll be doing many of these so that I can make my message stronger. Yeah, those who have been, most of you have been following me on YouTube, and I've been saying this, I've been insisting, but now I've decided to take action. And this is just part of what I'll be doing. There are some trees here. I'm going to ensure that they're weeded, because trees, irrespective of who has planted them, all of them, they are of importance to nature, and that is why we must take care of those that are there. And if you can plant new trees, you can. I'm also going to plant trees in commemoration. I'm going to plant my age once the rains once the rains are back. I'll plant trees to commemorate my age. So I just wanted to give you a stipend of just a pinch of what I'm doing, and that is my activity for the day. So if you would like to join me, just inbox me or just hit that comment section, and we are going to get in touch. We are going to work together to ensure that the environment is clean. So thank you very much.